I'm Kazi from N0 R&D, and I'm happy to share that N0 has officially launched a Backstage plugin. With this new plugin, developers can self-serve by deploying and managing their own N0 environments within Backstage. Let's dive in. Quick word about Backstage for anyone who's unfamiliar. Backstage is an open source internal developer platform. It centralizes tools, documentation, and workflows, providing developers with a customizable interface to streamline their work. Our plugin brings all the benefits of N0 to your Backstage environment, like various self-service cloud provisioning capabilities, by letting teams deploy their infra independently, securely, and efficiently. So let's have a quick look at the N0 plugin. Let's say I'm a developer in your team and want to reconfigure my development environment. I can log into Backstage and see all the environments I have access to right here. I can filter through them and enter one. Right here, I can see some high-level details about the environment along with its current status. Clicking the N0 tab, I can either see the deployment history or redeploy it. If any adjustments are needed, I can set any of the configure variables over here. Let's set this to East, for example, and hit deploy. And a new deployment is queued. As you can see, as a developer who already knows how to fiddle with Backstage, I can have control over my own development environment. And the fact that this integrates with N0 means that your DevOps admins still have full control and visibility over their IaC. If you want to give your developers even more power, they can create their own N0 environment. By clicking the Create tab and choosing the Create an N0 environment template, you're greeted with the deployment wizard. Over here, you'll choose an N0 template and set a name for the environment and choose the project in which it will be created at. Same as before, I can configure any variable if needed here. Click Next. Over here, you'll need to log into GitHub and set any relevant fields. Click Review and Create. And a new N0 environment is created. I can either open it in N0 or look at it over here in Backstage. This process is intuitive, with simple inputs like environment names and variable values, and once it's fully submitted, N0 takes care of the rest. This entire flow can even be further customized by forking the N0 plugin repo and configuring it however you'd like. That was a quick look at the N0 Backstage plugin. We were able to deploy IaC and have a controlled sandbox, all the while keeping control over resources and policies. Feel free to check out the plugin, open an issue, open a pull request, or even fork the repo. Let us know if you have any feedback.